In this tutorial, we will guide you through your company profile. To locate your company profile after logging in, click on your company's name. Let's go over the tabs. In the first section, you can edit your company's information and location. In the tax section, enter the appropriate percentage according to your country's regulations so the application can calculate the final amounts. The Wages tab is for specific types of absences. If you have procedures with unique calculations, you can set them up here. For example, if an employee is on sick leave, they may receive 70% of their wage. The automated generation feature will create daily entries for anything you select here, in case they were missed. Under the GPS tab, you can set up your GPS provider to connect to your vehicles. The Specialization tab is where you can list your company's specializations. In the Notifications and Emails section, you can add multiple email addresses to receive invoices for Stas Organizer subscription. Lastly, the Documents tab is where you upload all company documentation and forms. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.